Oh, hello. My name is Merlin. I thought for my first YouTube video that I would answer some of your burning questions. Let's hop to it, shall we? Why did you start your own YouTube channel? Well, that is a fantastic first question. I actually lent my talents to another YouTube channel. However, I wasn't getting the attention I felt I deserved. It's as though I was the background character in someone else's world, and I was never in the forefront. So I soon realized that an artist of my caliber needed an outlet of my own. So here we are. What do you eat in a day? Call me old-fashioned, but I do love a good bowl of kibble in the morning. And when my bowl is no longer providing my basic nutrients, I simply take that as a sign to contain myself. And to have patience to await my caretakers. Any siblings? Why yes, I do have one sibling, a brother. However, he is adopted. Why haven't you answered any of my messages? Do you have a workout routine? As a matter of fact, I do, and I'm absolutely thrilled that you noticed. I've lost 2 ounces since I started my workout journey. And I must say that a few squats have gone a long way. Favorite food? Oh, tacos. I can eat tacos all day long. And sometimes I have. What brand of litter do you use? Well, a true gentleman never reveals such personal business. However... Merlin, get the off the counter! Well, I think that's all we have time for today. Merlin! Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.